is for apple, juicy and red. One big bite, then off to bed. B is for ball, bounce, bounce, boing. I kicked it high, hear it sing. C is for cat who wears a hat. She danced all day and scared a rat. D is for drum, bang, bang, bang. Monkey goes wild with a musical clang. E is for egg, small and white. Birdie popped out, oh what a sight. F is for frog who jumps real high, lands with a boing and touches the sky. G is for giraffe, tall and slow. He peeked in a window and said hello. H is for hat, flying in air. It landed on a lion's hair. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. It dripped on my shirt and froze my feet. J is for jug, filled with juice. I spilled it all, oh what a goose. K is for kite, flying up high. Oops, it got stuck on a butterfly. L is for lion, with a loud roar. But he slipped on soap and fell on the floor. M is for monkey swinging around. He grabbed a banana and fell to the ground. N is for nest, in a tree so tall. Birds sleep tight so they don't fall. O is for owl, who hoots all night. He wears glasses, what a sight. P is for parrot, who talks all day. Polly wants pizza, is what he'll say. Q is for queen, in her royal gown. She trips and drops her shiny crown. R is for rabbit, fluffy and neat. He dances with carrots and giant feet. S is for sun, big, bright and hot. He wears cool shades and shines a lot. T is for tree, with apples so red. A squirrel throws one and hits my head. U is for umbrella, twirling in rain. It turned into a hat for a dancing crane. V is for red, driving so fast. Oops, it splashed mud as it zoomed past. W is for watch, tick tock tick. It danced on my wrist like a magic trick. Is this for Zelvire, rainbow bright? It plays funny notes that give delight. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. It spins and zips all over town. Z is for zebra, black and white. He's running and laughing with all his might.